blood circulation.
Introduction. Blood is the medium through which substances are transported to the different organs. All living organisms require food, water, and oxygen for their survival. These need to be transported to various parts of the body for the further physiological functions. Circulatory system. Blood. Blood is a special connective tissue consisting of plasma is a straw-colored, viscous fluid, covers 55% of the blood. It contains 90% of water, 6 to 8% proteins. Formed elements. 45% of the blood is occupied by the formed elements and erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets are collectively called formed elements. Blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels. Arteries, thick-walled, deeply seated in the muscle, always carry oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the body. Except pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood. Veins, thin-walled, superficially seated in the muscle, always carry deoxygenated blood from the different parts of the body to the heart. Except pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood. The artery, when reaches to the organ and tissues, divide into smaller and smaller vessels. The smallest vessels are called capillaries. Capillaries are the site of exchange of the materials. The capillaries then join together to form veins that convey the blood away from the organ or tissue. Arteries, veins.
Significance of blood groups.
Heart. The heart is a small muscular organ which is responsible for pumping the blood. The human heart has 4 chambers such as the right auricle, the right ventricle, the left auricle, and the left ventricle. The upper chambers are called auricle or atrium. The lower chambers are called ventricle. The flow of blood in the body is from the body, right auricle, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, left auricle, left ventricle to the body. Heartbeat. The contraction and relaxation of different chambers produces a thumping sound. This sound can be heard as heartbeat. One heartbeat indicates one cycle of pumping action by all the 4 chambers. The heart of a normal human beats for 72 times in a minute. The heart pumps about 70 milliliter blood in one beat. This is called stroke volume. This means that heart pumps a whopping 5 liter blood in a minute. There are certain locations in the body where beat can be felt. This happens because of blood rushing in with every heartbeat. The pulse rate is same as the heart rate. Pulse can be felt near the wrist, neck, ankle, etc. The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. A resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 and 80 beats per minute. Stethoscope. It is an instrument used by doctors to listen to the heartbeat and pulse. Stethoscope is composed of long rubber tube, 2 earpieces and a diaphragm. Excretory system in humans. Removal of the harmful nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body is excretion. Different organisms use varied strategies for excretion. Unicellular organisms remove waste by simple diffusion from the body surface. Complex multicellular organisms have specialized organs for excretion called excretory organs. The human excretory system is composed of a pair of kidneys, two ureters, and a urinary bladder. Kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped. They work like filters. Blood, laden with waste materials, enters the kidney. The waste is filtered from the blood and the purified blood is sent to the normal circulation. The waste, along with water, is transferred to the urinary bladder through the ureters. The content of the ureters is called urine. Urine contains 95% of water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other wastes. Urine is expelled out from time to time.